8 things to do that will boost your mood and get you happy in 5 minutes. Some days we can wake up feeling a little down. But the beautiful news is, on days like these, there are things you can do that will help promote a positive feelings, experience a brighter and healthier life. Certain hormones are known to help promote positive feelings, including happiness and pleasure. These happy hormones include dopamine, also known as the feel-good hormone, serotonin. This hormone and neurotransmitter helps regulate your mood as well as your sleep, appetite, digestion, learning ability, and memory. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone. This hormone can also help promote trust, empathy, and bonding in relationships, and oxytocin levels generally increase with physical affection like kissing, cuddling, and sex. Endorphins. Endorphins are your body's natural pain reliever, which your body produces in response to stress or discomfort. Endorphin levels also tend to increase when you engage in reward-producing activities, such as eating, working out, or having sex. These are the 4 actors that play important roles in our mood lifting and happiness. Here are 8 mood lifting tips you can try now and feel better in minutes. 1. Spend time in the sunshine. Spending time outdoors, in the sunlight, is a great way to boost your mood. According to a research, exposure to sunlight can increase production of both serotonin and endorphins. These are hormones known to help promote positive feelings, including happiness and pleasure. Start with at least 10 to 15 minutes outside each day. And if you're tired of the same old sights, try exploring a new neighborhood or park, or take a walk in the wood, or be a bird watcher for a few minutes. One thing is, nothing feels better than doing some time outdoor when your mood is down. 2. Exercise. The best and most effective way to boost serotonin, which is a happy hormone, is with daily exercise. 20 to 30 minutes of exercise per day is enough to reap those benefits. Exercise has the added bonus of regulating sleep, clearing the mind, keeping our hearts strong and weight healthy. It produces and increases in the levels of endorphins and serotonin, which improve our moods and energy levels. Next time you're feeling moody, go for a brisk walk outside, engage in dancing, or take a group exercise class and see how your perception changes. 3. Comedy. We've all heard that laughter is the best medicine, and if you're feeling down in the dumps, then this is definitely true. Laughter can not only release pent-up emotions, but it also produces endorphins to boost your mood. However, research has found that laughing burns calories and boosts heart health too. To get your happiness levels up and boost your well-being too, pop in a comedy DVD next time you're feeling down. This helps relieve the feelings of anxiety or stress, and improve a low mood by boosting the happy hormones. Share a funny video, dust off your joke book, or watch some comedy special with a friend or partner. And also, bonding over something funny with a loved one might even trigger oxytocin release. 4. Prepare and enjoy your favorite meal with a friend. According to theory, this simple tip could boost all 4 of your happy hormones. The enjoyment you get from eating something delicious can trigger the release of dopamine along with endorphins. Sharing the meal with someone you love, and bonding over meal preparation, can boost oxytocin levels. Certain foods can also have an impact on hormone levels, so note this when planning a meal for a happy hormone boost. Spicy foods, which may trigger endorphin release. Yogurt, beans, eggs, meats with low fat content, and almonds, which are just a few foods linked to dopamine release. Foods high in tryptophan, which have been linked to increased serotonin levels. Foods containing probiotics, such as yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut, which can influence the release of hormones. 5. Go out on a romantic evening. Oxytocin is known to take care of the love hormone. Simply being attracted to someone can lead to the production of oxytocin. But physical affection, including kissing, cuddling, or having sex, also contributes. Just spending time with someone you care about can also help boost or improve your mood. This can help increase closeness and positive relationship feelings, making you feel happy, blissful, or even euphoric. If you really want to feel those happy hormones, note that dancing and sex both lead to endorphin release, while orgasm triggers dopamine release. You can also share a glass of wine with your partner for an added endorphin boost. 6. Listen to music. This my own personal strongest tip. I do this like every day ever since I can remember. Music can give more than one of your happy hormones a boost. Listening to instrumental music, especially music that gives you chills, can increase dopamine production in your brain. But if you enjoy music, simply listening to any music you enjoy may help put you in a good mood. This positive change in your mood can increase serotonin production. Musicians may also experience an endorphin release when creating music. I don't know if you feel this, but when I see musicians performing so happy, sometimes I wonder why they are so happy. But the answer is that their happy hormones were receiving a big boost, so you see them happy and energetic. Creating and performing music by dancing, singing, or drumming can actually improve your mood. 7. Try aromatherapy. While many of us think of aromatherapy as an aid to relaxation, there are also many oils you can use to boost your happiness and help alleviate depression. Good aromatherapy oils to leave you uplifted include bergamot, geranium, neroli and jasmine. If you are trying to lift your mood, try adding a few drops of these oils to water and burning on an oil burner, or create or purchase a room spray containing these essential oils. And watch your mood lifted almost immediately. 8. Do something selfless. It is easy to get weighed down in our own problems, so every once in a while, it is good to put our issues to one side and help someone else feel happy instead. Whether you want to take on a long-term volunteering role, make a simple donation to charity, or improve the happiness of someone you know with a thoughtful note or gift, making an effort to make someone else smile and happy is a great way to seeing life differently and becoming thankful for what you have rather than what you don't have. Take your mind off your problems and increase your sense of purpose and fulfillment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to please like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.